right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our smart contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. And today we're going to be doing some light reading, so let's dive right into the spot where we're going to be picking up from. And this is the same spot we left off from yesterday. So just in case you haven't been following along, you have an idea of where we are and what we're doing. So this is an example of the command we will enter into the terminal to encrypt our private key. We will say Mox wallet, import my account. Note we can replace my account with any name we want to use for our account. My account is the variable we chose, so that's what we're going with. Also note if we want to see a list of all the commands available for the Moccasin wallet, we can run the command mox wallet dash as help in the terminal. This command will show us a list of wallet management utilities. Here's a list of positional arguments which are located in the wallet management utilities in their capabilities. So these are the positional arguments here. We have a list, which can be written as ls. We have a generate, which can be written as g or new. We have import, which can be written as I or add. We have u. We have decrypt, which can be written as dk. And we have delete, which can be written as d. And I'm not going to read all of their descriptions. They're pretty short there. You can read over them as I'm sitting here on the page. Now, these are just a few of the commands available for the Moccasin wallet. The one we'll be using is the import command to input our private key. This is how we will use the import command. We will say Mox wallet import envu1. Now we're saying envu1 because that's what we named my account. So yeah, just so you don't get any confusion going on there, that's what we have the envu1 there because that's what we named my account envu1. So yeah, we're gonna leave it there for now. Like I said, this is gonna be strictly reading, so we're gonna be doing this every day until we get out of this module and get back to running examples. So stay tuned for that. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, it's Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.